creamy tomato pasta with roasted veggies. Hey, it's your girl Carmel Jean-Francois coming to you out of the New York City area, owner and founder of Seafood Coaching. Welcome back to my kitchen. What I'll be cooking tonight is a creamy tomato pasta with veggies. I'm excited to have that. I don't remember the last time I cooked pasta. It might have been, it's a few years, like easy 3 years since the last time I cooked pasta. And so here I am, I'm about to cook it. As always, I'm going to ask you to like, comment, subscribe, and share. I'm going to love you more than I already do. So I'm getting ready to plate it. Well, not just yet because my veggies are still in the oven, finishing up with the roast. I'm done with the pasta and the creamy sauce and it's looking amazing. And I took a little taste of it. It was just so tasty. Of course it's tasty. So I'm gonna see you in a couple of minutes and I'm gonna plate this and we'll try it. My favorite part. Garnishing with some parsley, not cilantro, folks, not cilantro, and my cashew Parmesan. Oh, I feel like I'm in an authentic Italian restaurant. For any of you Italians watching right now, especially if you own a restaurant, please don't send me any hate mail because this is definitely not an Italian dish. All right, so it's all done. It's plated. I think I did really nicely with the way it looks. I don't know how authentic it looks. So for those of you who want to comment whether or not I succeeded at making it look like an authentic Italian pasta dish, please let me know. So this is a creamy tomato pasta with roasted vegetables. And I'm about to take this first bite. Let's see. Grabbing some pasta. I had pasta last week, maybe for the first time in like 2 years. And I'm making pasta now for the first time in maybe 3 or 4 years. I gotta tell you, um, not much against it, just don't have it, but I enjoy it every time I do. So let's see. Creamy for sure. It was that coconut milk. Coconut milk is just so special. All right, here's the vegetables. With a lot of parsley. I gotta tell you, parsley, amazing for us. It's an amazing herb. Not exactly my favorite flavor, so I'm gonna mix this in before I continue. When I sit down to eat this, I'm gonna mix it all in so I don't get that strong flavor of parsley. Parsley's flavor is very, very strong. But I got the tomato. Mm. One thing about that cashew Parmesan, I like the way it looks. I love cashews. I even like the consistency, but it's not Parmesan. It's just not. But thoroughly enjoying it. Like I said, I'm gonna mix in that parsley so I don't have to taste too much of it, but it has amazing flavor. It really does. Oh, so good. I gotta go. I gotta go enjoy this. So thank you once again for joining me today as I cook. Please like, comment, subscribe, and share my channel. I would love you more than I already do. I'm gonna see you next time. Go be great. Ciao, ciao. Creamy potato pasta. Potato.